Hello, they are students of class 7. So right now we are doing chapter number 1, that is multiplication and division of integers. Students, we have completed exercise 1.1, question number 1, 2 and 3. Lots of you have solved the questions which I have not solved as homeworks, but there are lots of students which are not yet doing their homework. So it's a request and warning to all the students, kindly send the homework to us. যেতিয়া তোমালোকক হোমৱৰ্ক দিয়া হয় তোমালোকে হোমৱৰ্কবোৰ নিশ্চয় কৰি পঠাই দিবা ওকে তো কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 3 আমি লাষ্ট টাইম কৰিছিলো 1 2 3 3 দুটা কোৱেশ্চন আছে কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 3 বহুতে সলভ কৰিব পৰা নাই বহুতে বুজি পোৱা নাই তাৰ বিষয়ে সেই দুটা প্ৰবলেম আজি মই সলভ কৰি দিম দ্যাট ইজ কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 4 and question number 5 of sub number 3 so let's start the class okay the students now we'll be solving question number 4 of number 3. What is the question? 199 into 26743 minus 26743. Now, what do we have to do? We have to use distributive property to solve this problem. Now, students, what is distributive property? Distributive property is A into B plus C in bracket is equal to A into B plus A into C. Also, A into B minus C bracket is equal to A into B minus A into C. So now we see this equation is not in that format. Into A into B or A into C format to ase neki? Nai. So first of all, what we do? We have to bring this equation into that format. Which format? A into B or A into C format anibo lagibo. Keneke anim? So first of all, let me write it this like this. 26743 into 199. Keneke likhilu moi by property number 2 that is commutative property which says what A into B is equal to B into A. If this is A and this is B, so B into A is also equal to A into B. By using commutative property we have done this. Okay. Now see, this part is okay. A into B we have got minus. What we have to get now? We have to get B into A. Here what kind of trick we will use? First of all we will write two, 6, 7, 4, 3 in place of minus 26743. But can we write into minus 1? Into minus 1 by the property of multiplication by minus 1 what do we get? We get that A, if A is an integer, A into minus 1 is equal to minus A. That means whenever we multiply any integer with minus 1 what do we get? We get the same integer but the reverse sign. If it is negative it will become positive, if it is positive it will become what? It will become negative. Now see, minus 26743 is equal to 26743 into minus 1 because when we will multiply these two, what will be the answer? This 26743 will be the answer, right? We can write it like this. Now students see, do we have the format? We have the A into B minus, if this is B into C, this is A into C. Have we got the format A into B minus A into C? Now this question has come into the format of distributive property. Now what we can do is we can take 2, 6, 7, 4, 3 common here. We can do it, right? Yes. Into in bracket what is there? It is 199 minus of what? Minus of minus 1. Now students, why I have given here double bracket? Because this is first bracket. When inside there is first bracket, outside you should give second bracket. I mean eneka bracket delay, it will be mistake because there is already a first bracket here. So here we should give the second bracket. Okay. Now see, 2, 6, 7, 4, 3 into 99 minus of minus 1 will be what? Plus. So 99 plus 1 will be what? Will be 100. 199 minus of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Yes or no? Is equal to 2, 6, 7, 4, 3 into what? Into 200. Now what will be the answer? The answer will be 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 6 is 12, 13, carry 1, 2 2 is 4 1, 5 and 00. Students, this is the answer. I hope you have understood this topic. This question you have understood. If you have still not understood, I am explaining it once again. See students, because this is in distributive property, we have to use distributive property to solve this question. First of all, we have to bring it to distributive form. Yes or no? For that, we have to have A into B minus A into C format. Now, first we have used what? First we have used commutative property to reverse it. A, here it was in B into A format. We have B into A. We have brought it to A into B format. Okay. Then we have used multiplication by -1 format. By using that, what we have done is, in place of minus 26743, we have written 26743 into -1. Okay. Now we have A into B minus A into C format, and by the distributive property, what we can write is A into B minus A into C is equal to A into B minus C. Okay, and like this we have solved this problem. Now let's move to question number 5. Friends, next question number 5 is what? -4 into -20, minus of -4 into 15, minus of -4 into 62, plus -4 into what? 97, plus -4 into 97. Now students, see, distributive property is what? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. But this also holds good for A into B plus C. If there is A into B plus C plus D, we can write A into B plus A into C plus A into D. For that also it is correct. So now students, you see what we can take common from all this? We can take -4 common. Yes or no? Now what you can do is, we can write here -20. Here what we will get? -15. Here what we will get? -62. Here what we will get? Oh sorry, here it will be 20, huh? Not -20. Here we got plus 97. Okay, what is the answer? -4 into what? 20 minus, here it will be -5. 20 minus 15 is equal to 5, minus 62 minus 97. What is the answer? Here 5, and the answer will be positive because 97 is positive, 62 is negative, so it will be positive. 97 minus 62 what? 5. 9 minus 5, 6, 7 and 9, 35 is equal to -4 into what? 40. Answer is -160. I hope you have understood these particular two questions. Now let's move to question number 4. So students, in question number 4, what they have told is, we have to find the sign of the product without really doing the multiplication, which is very easy. Because students, I have already told you that if the number of negative number in a product is even, then the sign is what? Sign is positive. Yes or no? And if the number of negative number in a product is odd, then the sign is what? Sign is negative, right? So in this problem, students, you see how many negative numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative numbers. And what is 4? 4 is a even number. So then what will be the answer? The answer will be positive. P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E. Positive, right? Okay. Now if we move to question number 2, you see students, 6 into -5 into -8 into -9 into 0. Now whenever 0 is multiplied to any number, what it gives? It gives 0. Everything is multiplied, no? So the answer will be 0. And see, 0 don't have any sign. It is neither negative neither positive. So write the answer as 0. Like this, whenever you find positive odd number of negative number, you give negative. Even number of negative number, you give positive. And if it is 0, write 0. Like this, you solve the other problems and send it to me as homework. Given what? State the sign of the products if A, B, C, D, E, F and G and H are what? Are পজিটিভ ইন্টিজাৰ্ছ। তো তোমালোকক এ বি চি ডি ই এফ জি এইচ কি বুলি দিয়া আছে যে ইহঁতে কি হয় পজিটিভ ইন্টিজাৰ্ছ বুলি দিয়া হয়। এতিয়া পজিটিভ ইন্টিজাৰ্ছ বুলি কিয় ক'ব লগা হ'ল, কাৰণ ইয়াতে আমাৰ কি দি আছে, আমি প্ৰডাক্টটো ওলাব লাগে। যদি আমাৰ এ নিগেটিভ ইন্টিজাৰ এটা হ'ল হয়, ছাপ'জ ইফ এ ইকুৱেল টু চে -5 হয় না নাই, তেতিয়া মাইনাছ এ ইজ ইকুৱেল টু কি হ'ব, মাইনাছ এ আমাৰ হ'লে কি হ'ব, মাইনাছ এ ইজ ইকুৱেল টু 5 হৈ যাব হয় না নাই, মাইনাছ এ 5 হৈ যাব। যদি এ ইজ ইকুৱেল টু -5 হয় তো মাইনাছ অফ এ কি হ'ব, মাইনাছ অফ এ ইজ ইকুৱেল টু 5 হৈ যাব। সেইকাৰণে গোটেইবিলাককে কি বুলি কৈছে পজিটিভ ইন্টিজাৰ বুলি কোৱা হৈছে। ঠিক আছে, নাও চি ইয়াতে কি দিয়া আছে, এগেইন উই হেভ টু কাউণ্ট দ্য নাম্বাৰ অফ নিগেটিভ নাম্বাৰছ, হাউ মেনি 1 2 3 4 5 নিগেটিভ নাম্বাৰছ। তো এনসাৰ ইজ হোৱাট, চিম্পলি নিগেটিভ। ভাবনা চিন্তা কৰি লাভ নাই আৰু। নাম্বাৰ অফ নিগেটিভ নাম্বাৰ ইজ অড, directly negative you write 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are odd negative number. So 5 negative numbers which is odd number, 5 negative, answer is negative. Next question number 8, here to directly diya ase 18 negative number and 3 positive number. So 18 negative agar amak etu swat dorkar nai, we want to look at this 18 negative number, 18 is a even number, so the answer will be what, answer will be positive. Rest in question number 5, whatever problem is there, you solve it yourself and send it to me as homeworks. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. So let's move to question number 6. In question number 6, I will what do you do, you have to do less than, greater than or equal to sign. Okay, now first of all I will solve you question number 6. Okay, now here students, this is LHS, that means left hand side, and this is RHS, this is RHS. Okay, see, let me first solve this part. What is 4 into what, -3 into what, -3 plus of what, -5. Okay, now 4 into what, -3 plus into -5. Okay, what is the answer, 4 into -3 into -5 is equal to -8. What is the answer, 8 5 ja minus 8 4 ja what, 8 4 ja 32, right, 8 4 ja 32. Now next in this side if we come, -32, right, 4 into -3, 4 into -3 plus 4 into -5. What answer do we get? What is 4 into -3? -12. Plus what? What is 4 into, sorry, 4 into -5? What is 4 into -5? -20. Okay, 4 for the 20. Plus minus minus, -12 plus minus minus -20. What is the answer? It is -32. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, what will be the sign here? Here the sign will be equal. So rest of the problem, whatever is there, all easy problems are there. You solve it by yourself and send it to me as homeworks. So students, we have done today 4, 5 and 6. In the next class, we will do the remaining part. And all of you students, do your homework and send it to me regularly. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in the next class.